Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. Today I'm going to be working on a Bell & Howell emergency light. You may have seen these all over the television. And the reason why I'm going to work on this one today and show you that I'm going to work on this today is because this is the second one I've had to fix. They're a fantastic light. I really like these a lot, but the first one I got, it was a simple fix. But then I obtained another one. I said, you know what, I think I'm going to show people how to fix this, because if I've seen this twice, then somebody else is going to see it again, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to repair these little Bell & Howell lights. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, looking into this, it looks like someone has already tried to get into this once before. Oh, there's two underneath here. Now this one over here, it seems like the screw broken off inside. Someone tried to take this apart already. I'm not sure how I want to go about that. So what's happened is the head of the screw is pulled down through the plastic. So be able to get on it with that one. There we go. So I just took a standard screwdriver instead of the Phillips, just a straight blade, just a small one, and I was able to get in there through that plastic. So, alright, so there's our other screws. So now we should be able to pull that right out of there. Okay. Alright. Well, there's a broken wire, and there's another broken wire. I'm assuming that that one goes right there, and then this one goes right there. Now, why that had fallen off, who knows? So all I'm going to do is kind of clean that up and resolder those on. I'm going to guess that's all that's wrong with it. The last one I took apart, I believe it was one of these wires for the LEDs that was broken off. This one here is broken right off the battery itself, so I don't know. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. So I guess what I'm going to do is take a little piece of sandpaper, and I'm going to kind of clean those terminals up just a little bit. I'm not sure why they would be corroded like they are, but maybe it's just my eyes that make it look like they're corroded. I guess we'll start with this first one. Let's just strip the end off it. Do the same thing on this one right here. We're just going to solder these right back on. Let's start with this one on the back here. Go ahead and see if there's still a charge in that. Well, nothing. So it may just need a charge. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in just the way it is and see if it charges up. Okay, look at that. The charge light comes on, and I actually didn't even check that first to see if it would come on. So let's go ahead and let that set for a little bit, and we'll come back to it. Okay, it's been sitting for about an hour, and there we go. It's working fine. 2 or 3 of the LEDs are out. Probably whoever was trying to take this apart may have cracked something on the board, but nevertheless, it's working, and that's all I had to do was put those wires, solder those wires back on. So let's go ahead and put this back together. Okay, well, let's turn that one off there, and here we are. I got myself a new emergency light. This is number 2. I gave the other one away. I may give this one right back to the same person who gave me this one. So, not a bad little light for free. So again, the Bell & Howell light, it's really a nice light. I mean, it seems to be pretty rugged, but something about the way those are wired inside. So again, just open it up carefully. If you can find a soldering iron kicking around and some solder, go ahead and solder it back in. So go ahead and plug that in, let it charge up. And there we go. One Bell & Howell Repair emergency light. Thanks an awful lot for watching.